Hi! In strategic thinking, we guide your way to your success through personal development and leadership. Today, we're going to talk about Monte Carlo Simulation and how it works. As a reminder, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when new videos are released. Risk analysis is part of every decision we make. We're constantly faced with uncertainty, ambiguity, and variability. And even though we have unprecedented access to information, we can't accurately predict the future. Monte Carlo Simulation, also known as Monte Carlo method, lets you see all the possible outcomes of your decisions and assess the impact of risk, allowing for better decision-making under uncertainty. Monte Carlo simulation is a computerized mathematical technique that allows people to account for risk in quantitative analysis and decision-making. The technique is used by professionals in such widely disparate fields as finance, project management, energy, manufacturing, engineering, research and development, insurance, oil and gas, transportation, and the environment. Monte Carlo simulation furnishes the decision maker with a range of possible outcomes and the probabilities they will occur for any choice of action. It shows the extreme possibilities, the outcomes of going for broke and for the most conservative decision, along with all possible consequences for middle-of-the-road decision. The number p is what mathematicians call irrational. It can never be written out in full. It continues for an infinite number of decimal places in a seemingly random sequence of digits. Randomness is found in many phenomena that we would like to be able to predict, such as changes in the weather or the movements of share prices. Inspired by the casino city of Monte Carlo, a computer simulation method has been developed to calculate this apparently incalculable phenomenon. If you roll a dice, you know that you will roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, but you don't know which of these numbers you will get with a given roll. This is exactly how the Monte Carlo simulation works. By running multiple trials based on random sampling to determine an outcome using a combination of probability calculation and statistics. So, why is the Monte Carlo model important? Because it reminds us that models do not represent reality, but are simply an approximation of reality. And as Pablo Picasso once said, if I know exactly what I'm going to do, what's the good doing it? In this example, you want to predict where a dot is likely to land. To do so, you land hundreds of dots rain randomly onto the square and count how many land inside and how many outside the quarter circle. You repeat the process many times. Your result is determined statistically. If the majority of the dots usually land inside the circle, you can predict that this is where your dot is likely to land in the future, but there is still a certain margin of error. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when new videos are released. Like and share this video with your friends or anybody else who might benefit from this information. Please leave your comment below as we really want to hear your thoughts about this.